Angle bead roll forming machine. The galvanized steel angle bead roll forming machine, which is made by Steelmama. The punching position is accurate and the forming is accurate. Galvanized steel angle bead roll forming machine rollers adopts high-quality roller raw materials, imported electronic components and hydraulic system. It is stable and durable. The line compose, Dequiller electronic feeder high-speed press roll forming machine flying shear unloading table or automatic stacking. The system is completed with a simple or semi-automatic stacking table, which delivers the bundle of profiles to the operator ready for fastening and packaging. We can customize the machine for you. Welcome to consult.